Hello and welcome. It's Stephanie Smith, aka Business Chic Mama. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video because I have something really good for you. The updated version 2019, how to take your Facebook Live and turn it into an MP4 so you can then upload it to YouTube. Let's get started. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the Facebook Live video that you are choosing to turn into your MP4. I'm going to choose this one right here, right click, and copy your video URL. Go ahead and open a new tab. So you copied it, now you're pasting it, and what you're going to do is erase the www and enter mbasic. Click enter. Now you're going to see this right here. So you're going to play your video. Okay, and right click it again. And here you go, here's the magic. Download video as, and that is, you can just change it to whatever you want, Facebook Live, and push save, and it will turn it into an MP4. If you can see right here, I just did it earlier, so MP4. And that's it. As soon as you as soon as this is downloaded, all you need to go is to your YouTube channel. Go ahead and click on upload right here. Go to the file that you just uploaded, or downloaded, I should say. There you go. Facebook Live MP4 download. That's it. Quick video. I hope this was valuable to you. Make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.